Hi guys. Welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you how to create one product page for all products in your store. This helps you create pages for products as quickly as possible and save your cost. First of all, you need to log into the PageFly app. Navigate to the product page list on the left-hand side. Click Create a new page to open a new page editor. As you know, this is the default product page placeholder that is created in theme. So you can hide it from your page editor, and use product details element in PageFly instead. But first of all, with one product page, you need to assign it to at least one product. Head over to Page Settings here and open it. Click the Page Type section. You can assign the page to products here. In this video, I will assign the page to all products. Move to the Page Layout section. I will hide the default placeholder here. Now in PageFly Page Editor, I will add elements to build one basic product page. Firstly, I will add a product details element into the page editor. Remember that to this layout applies to all products, you need set product source as auto. Then I will add a product list element below. Set product source as all. Now I will publish the page. Change the page title. Click Continue. And now check the live page. This is the product page I already created. Now I will open another product page. You can see the design of this product page looks exactly the same as the design of the previous product page. Now we will get back to PageFly Page Editor. There is an important note you need to remember. In this page, you only can add product elements here on it or third-party elements. The elements will automatically change on each corresponding page. But if you use non-product elements, it will be the same on all product pages. For example, I will add a section here. Then I publish the page. And open the live view. I will open two product pages at the same time. You can see product information is different, but this section appears on both of pages. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach out to us via 24/7 in-app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.